I had a book on origami that I think I got it in late grade school, and I tried it once or twice, didn't do very well with it. Basically put down origami for like 3 years, and then in the very end of high school, I just decided I should try origami again. And now I'm going to make some giant origami. And it's going to be this elephant, but made out of a 9-foot square of paper. It's pretty simple. It's probably the most simplistic elephant. The strength is in the design itself. It uses these inside reverse folds in the trunk that give it a lot of structural stability and give it rigidity on its own. But then it also has a wide area under it that would accommodate a little substructure. My overall goal with the process here was to make an elephant that I liked, then make a SolidWorks model of that elephant so that I can decide on what the substructure should look like. I figure it'll have to be made out of thin metal rods, so I want to have connectors that will hold the rods at the correct angles. Then I could 3D print those pieces, assemble the skeleton, and when I actually fold the giant origami, basically just lift it onto the base and have it hopefully stand up under its own weight. When people walk by, I kind of want them to think like, wow, who made that? Did a student make that? I could make that, or I could learn to make it. I know that when I came into Rose, I probably couldn't have made this. Now, here we are, I'm graduating, and I've made a gigantic origami elephant. My dreams came true.